You open Netflix to watch one episode, hours later it's 3 am and you're still glued to the screen. Or you hit shuffle on Spotify and somehow every song feels perfect. What if I told you this isn't luck? It's machine learning. And today I will reveal how it works. This tech doesn't just know what you like, it predicts what you love even before you do. But how does it pull off this magic? Let's find out. Both platforms face the same problem, content overload. With thousands of shows on Netflix and millions of songs on Spotify, they need a way to connect users with the right content quickly. That's where machine learning comes in. Machine learning is all about teaching computers to find patterns in data. For Netflix and Spotify, this means analyzing your behavior like what you watch, skip or listen to, and make predictions about what you will love next. Without machine learning, users would spend hours scrolling or skipping, and these platforms would lose billions in engagement. Netflix uses a technique called collaborative filtering. Imagine you and another user both love crime dramas. If they enjoyed a series you haven't watched yet, Netflix suggests it to you. This approach learns from millions of users to predict what you will enjoy. Netflix also uses NLP to analyze and tag content. For example, a movie isn't just labeled comedy. It might be tagged as dark comedy with a sarcastic protagonist. This helps match shows with your unique taste. Machine learning even powers the thumbnails you see. Netflix computer vision models analyze frames from a show, find the most engaging ones, and then test which images users are most likely to click. Netflix invests over $1 billion annually in content recommendations powered by machine learning. This sophisticated system helps ensure users spend less time searching and more time watching. Spotify doesn't just look at what you play, it listens to the songs. Using deep learning, Spotify breaks each track into components like tempo, mood, and energy. This audio fingerprinting helps it recommend songs that match your current vibe. Similar to Netflix, Spotify uses collaborative filtering to compare your preferences with others. Spotify also uses NLP to scan music blogs, reviews, and social media to learn which artists or songs are trending. Spotify's playlists like Discover Weekly are powered by reinforcement learning. The algorithm gets better each time you interact with a playlist, skipping, saving, or replaying songs. This feedback loop helps Spotify refine its suggestions over time. Spotify processes over 1 lakh new songs daily using machine learning, ensuring you never miss the next big hit. Isn't it fascinating how machine learning works behind the scenes? If you are enjoying this breakdown and want to explore more about machine learning, hit subscribe now and join the journey. While these algorithms are great, they have limitations. For instance, Netflix recommendations can sometimes feel repetitive and Spotify may miss genre preferences. These are challenges that machine learning is still working on to solve. How much data should these platforms collect to keep improving without invading your privacy? In the future, Netflix could use generative AI to create content tailored to a specific audience. Spotify might even craft AI-generated songs based on your listening history. Do you think machine learning makes these apps better, or does it control what we consume? Let me know in the comments. Next time you are binging a series or vibing to a playlist, remember, behind the scenes, algorithms at work, making decisions for you. But here is the exciting part. Now you know how it works. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button, share it with someone who loves tech, and subscribe for more exciting takes on how machine learning shapes our world. And hey, what do you think understands you better? Netflix, Spotify, or maybe neither? Comment below.